genetics engineering. DNA, meaning the oxyribonucleic acid, is a molecule that contains genetic code for inheritance. Gene is a unit of heredity that is transferred from parents to offspring. Genetic engineering is artificially modifying the DNA or other nucleic acid molecules, but let's focus on DNA for now, of a genome, which is the genetic makeup of an organism. Using biotechnology, this is centered around recombinant DNA, that is, DNA that has been genetically altered by joining two or more DNAs. But before now, humans had an unscientific way of genetically modifying life forms, from breeding particular kind of favored food to knock out the rejected kind extinct, to training wolves to be man's best friend. We realized genes as a mechanism of heredity, and in 1972, Herbert Boyer and Stanley Cohen directly transferred DNA from one organism to another. Then began the genetic engineering evolution. From genetic engineering being successfully accomplished on a mouse to the first flavor-saver tomato, which was available in the market, and our very first genetically engineered human. Polymerase chain reaction is basically doubling a DNA sample till it's large enough to be worked on. DNA cloning is done by cutting DNA with restriction enzymes such as Ecori, pasting it with DNA ligase in a plasmid, which is now put in a bacteria to duplicate. Gel electrophoresis separates from the mixture the unwanted DNA according to size. CRISPR and CRISPR-Cas9 are built technologies for editing an organism's genetic makeup, the genome. Huge advancements in medicine involve the discovery and treatment of genetic disorders such as sickle cell, anemia, and fibrosis, and so much more, trust me. Agriculture, has helped boost the growth of plants in respect to size, mature date, as well as extended lifespan in animals and plants. Now, as good as all this seems, it may have some consequences that may not be detected and may cause serious harm. Genetic engineering, a very powerful tool, if used in the wrong hands, could be stressful and could result in disastrous effects. Remember the sci-fi movies we called illusions that are now our reality? Same in the case of genetic engineering.